So if something goes wrong, you can come and
Oh, I
check
hope
it.
nothing goes wrong.
Yes, I would hope so too.
After 2 other units, I hope nothing bad.
Yes.
Good.
Yes,
Give it a try, he said. All right.
Okay.
Ты можешь тоже пофотографировать?
You said you have a website or with the owners of the same bikes, yes?
Yeah, not my website, but there is a website out there. It's a Goldwing Docs. I could write it down if you look at it. That's the one that.
I'm interested.
Yeah, go ahead and take a look.
Okay, let's start.
I'm coming your lover. I wanted to give her